Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can back up our WordPress website. So it's very easy. Go to your CPanel. Herein you can search for backup. You can type just backup here. On typing you can see backup is visible. Click here. On clicking you can see you can download the complete backup. That will take a lot of time. So if you want a backup, at first you can download the MySQL database backup by clicking here. This will generate a zip file. With that you can just click on home directory here. So let me click this. Below you can see the database is backing up and it will get compressed. Now when I'll click on home directory, it will download it. So this is the home directory of my website, and these two files are important. If I want to restore my backup, restoration comes here. Let's say you have both these backup of your WordPress files here and of your database SQL files here. You just need to upload these files here and your sites will get backed up. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily create a backup of our WordPress website. We also saw how we can easily restore a backup from our downloaded backups. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.